Time travel is real, and its living proof is Serge, a young man who came in 1958 to 2006. He doesn't even know what year is going on now. After hearing this, the police go to that location and take Serge under custody. They interrogate him a lot. During the interrogation, they find out that according to Serge, this year is 1958. Not only that, there were many other things about Serge that were quite weird. Like when the police asked him for his ID, they gave him a paper, his name, date of birth and country. And the police were shocked to see these three things, because the country on that paper did not exist in 2006, and Serge's date of birth was 1932 in that paper. So how was it possible that Serge was born in 1932 and was born in 2006? But because Serge seemed to be able to believe everything, the police took him to the doctor. The doctor also listened to Serge very carefully, and came to the conclusion that he should be under observation. So Serge was kept in a very high security facility. But the next day he disappeared. Serge disappeared from a closed room. After this, the police investigated and found out that in 1958, there used to be a man named Serge who had disappeared. After a little more research, when they took out his photos, it was the same Serge that they had found in 2006. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the like, subscribe, and share.